going to be a cold start. Okay, this is how pull it. That long stroke where there's nothing there. And then you're going to pull it again. And you got a tight one coming up right here. You can feel it. And there's another one right there. Pull on it. And you have a long stroke. Pull it up again. I'll show you again. A tight spot. And another one coming up right there. And a long stroke. Let's get in between those two right there. I got that first one right there. It's going to be tight. Okay, right there it's going to be tight. And there's going to be another one coming up. I'm running a Mikuni carb on it, so it's got the choke on it. Pull it once. Choke up. Switch on. Pull it one time, she'll fire right up.